This one is our stack machine, stack machine for stacking blocks. Hello, good morning guys. And today we are going to load our block making machine into the container now. You see the container is over there. And today we are going to load three pieces of the 40 feet container. 3 pieces of the 40 feet container. This one is the first one. And you see now all of the machines here are in storage, are ready for loading now. And also for the fiber pellets. Today is raining, you see. It's raining now. So today we are going to load all of the machinery, like the concrete mixer, the block machine, fiber pellets, into the container. There are three pieces of the 40 feet container today are ready for loading. And now what I want to make an introduction for you. I want to show you the items are ready for loading. Like this one is a concrete mixer. This one is a concrete mixer with you know, if somebody see this mixer, he will know it's a little different from the others mixer. It's a concrete mixer, but you see the hopper, with the lifting hopper. So the lifting hopper can be dropped down, can be followed down, and for feed the concrete material inside the hopper. The hopper will be lifted up. So there will be open side. The material will be dropped down into the mixer, inside the mixer from the hopper. Yeah. So the advantage of this hopper is can be save the labor. You know, if you don't have this hopper, that means you have to let the workers to feed the cement and sand into the concrete mixer hopper manually. So with this hopper, it will help you to save the labor. So it can lift up the sand, the cement and stone dust from the ground down ground, and lift up and feed the concrete material inside the mixer. You see, I want to show you the detail of our fabrication. see the welder. We didn't limit it. We didn't lose any weld. Here's the motor. We supply the power to the reducer mixer for the mixing. Here's the controller box for the mixer. Okay, and there's another one. So our customer bought 2 pieces of this kind of concrete mixer with the lifter, with the ladder lifter. Here is the 2 pieces of the conveyor belt. 2 pieces of the conveyor belt. And this one is QT4-20 semi-automatic block machine. This one. This model is called QT4-20 semi-automatic block making machine. Normally it will come with the conveyor belt and the concrete mixer. It's like a simple production line for the block production. You know, we fabricate a protection cover to protect the electric motor inside. Because sometimes if the vibration is you know, will be drop down some concrete material like stone or some piece of stone. It will, how to say, sometimes it can damage the electric motor. But with this cover, the protection cover, it can, how to say, it can also at the same time, it can, you know, to protect the workers and operator. And from a detailed interview, you can find out, you know, our fabrication and design of the machine. You see the welder? You see the welder? It's very nice. The welder is nice. The welder. Okay, and this model is a little bigger than QT4-24. It's called QT4-25. It's a fully automatic block making machine. Also powered by electric vibration motor, which will supply the vibration force. Is the transform channel to feed the concrete material, the feeding card. Here, you see our color. Why we're painting this color to be red, which is different from the yellow, because we just want to give some people to know it, to pay more attention on it. Here is the box for feeding the pellets inside. I think you will be clear about this, okay? Okay, this one is a very small block making machine. It's like a manual one. Manual means you have to feed the concrete material by hand, with a shovel. The mold can be pushed. This particular small block machine is very simple, and also the price is very good. It's very nice price. So also for some block makers who is at the beginning process for the produce blocks, it will be prefer this particular model of the block machine. It's very simple. Here is the mold. It produces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of the concrete blocks with 3 holes. And this one, the mold can be pushed. So if you like to know more about, about this block machine, you can leave a message to me, and I will send you the video, the working video for this block machine for you. Okay. And this one is another model. And this model, the difference between this model and this model is all in the hopper. All in the hopper. This model have a hopper onto the block machine. The advantage of this hopper, can be save the labor to feed the material by a shovel. So use like this to open this. See? To open the hopper, and the material from the hopper will be dropped down inside the mold box. And this one is a forklift. Actually speaking, it's a forklift. It's very precision and high efficient forklift. So after the blocks with the pellets transfer out from the block machine, normally we will give you the trolley or the barrel, which you will use it for transfer out of the blocks. But this one is more easy. It's like a forklift. It can lift up. It can lift 3 or 5 pellets at one time. It's very nice. It's powered by cylinder. So if you want to know more this particular forklift, leave a message to me. I will send you more information. This one is very easy to make the different direction for the tires. Because this one is a big block machine. This one hydraulic pump for offloading the motor box. This one the vibration motor to supply the power to the vibration box inside. Oh, it's not easy to see. Not easy to see. You see our welder. This welder is very important, so you have to make sure it's very strong and solid together with the machine frame. This one balance cable. See, the hydraulic oil pump is very important for the machine. So we use the whole complete the pipe to fabricate it. Here's the material cut. Feeding and spreading the concrete material inside the mold box. Is the sensor to control the processing location of the machine. Here's the controller box for this pallet machine. Now what we are going to loading is the colorful material feeding system. Here's the conveyor belt. Here's the paving bricks mold. It's a block transfer system. All over here is the fiber pellets.